These things are so bright, but they also do a really good job diffusing the light, so it's spread all throughout the case. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the coolermaster MasterFan MF120 HALO² or HALO². This is the white edition. I did receive this fan from coolermaster, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. Here's a look at the retail box and packaging. Everything looks really nice. So it's rated to last over 160,000 hours, 27 decibels for the noise level, and RPM speeds up to 2,050 RPMs. It is addressable Gen 2 RGB, in case you're wondering, compatible with the wide variety and range of motherboard software out there. Now let's go ahead, let's open it up and look at the contents. Looking for a secure and reliable way to access the internet? Look no further than ExpressVPN. Protect your personal information and browsing history from prying eyes. Act now and sign up for ExpressVPN today using our link in the description and receive an extra 3 months of service for free. Here are all the contents. First up, we have our hardware kit here consisting of our cable clip to keep the ARGB cables together. We have little instructions with that. We also have an adapter cable here. It's going to be a male end to male end, and our 4 included screws. Lastly, we have the fan itself with the coolermaster logo front and center. Our blade will illuminate the 2 rings along the side, our halos there. Bracket, and then look at the back side. MF120 HALO², 0 to 2050 RPMs, addressable Gen 2 RGB. We have our 4-pin connector and our ARGB connector right there with an additional adapter if you want to daisy chain them. So that looks great. I love how this fan looks. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. All right, so we have our PC built with our fans installed. You'll actually notice that we have 2 of these fans installed. One is the exhaust and one on our cooler. Let's look at them up close. All right, here's your fan close up. Check them out right here. One is mounted on our cooler. The other one is the exhaust. Beautiful rings illuminating on the sides. The fan blades themselves are illuminated. Here's a peek at the back side, illuminated as well, so giving us a nice little glow and accent even from the outside of our case. These are gorgeous fans that are near whisper quiet. I can't even hear them at all right now. I mean, look at how close we have the camera to the fans. They're whisper quiet. Very, very quiet. And they look great. Let's go over all the different RGB effects that we have. All right, we're gonna cycle through the different colors and effects here. Man, that white looks so good with our white case. My personal favorite, the rainbow RGBs. I love seeing all the colors. Currently, we have our fans just connected to the hub with our case, and we're using the reset switch to cycle through all the different effects. If you wanted to, you could connect these fans directly to your motherboard and use your motherboard software. If you have a coolermaster hub, or you can get it to be recognized with the Master Plus software, you can configure them that way too. Look at how bright these things are. So bright, but they also do a really good job diffusing the light, so it's spread all throughout the case. Helps that we have a nice white case here. Really nice colors. So there's really not much more to share with you guys. These fans are simple, straightforward. Plug them in your motherboard, connect them to a hub in the back side of your case if you want. It's really up to you. The hardest part will be just choosing how many fans do you want to get for your case. Pick between black or white and 120 versus 140 millimeter versions. They're quiet, they're really bright, and they just do a good job keeping your case cool as well as keeping your case cool.